Namaskar. Your metabolism is like an inner fire, and what you drink or eat first thing in the morning can either fuel that fire or slow it down. Certain drinks boost our metabolism when taken on empty stomach. For example, Jeera water has unique ability to ignite digestive fire. If you have been struggling with sluggish morning and stubborn body fat, then today I am going to give you a recipe that can help you lose weight easily. And that is a simple Jeera drink. This isn't just a plain Jeera water. We are adding few more things to make it more effective. Take 1 tablespoon of Jeera and soak it overnight in 3 cups of water along with half a teaspoon of saunf or fennel seed for good digestion, and add half a teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds to control cravings. In the morning, pour this into a pan, add a small cinnamon stick to boost metabolism, 3 to 4 fresh tulsi leaves for detoxification, and half a teaspoon of grated ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Boil this for about 5-7 minutes until the flavor infuses beautifully. Strain it, let it cool slightly, and if you like, squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice for an extra fat burning effect. Now, how do you drink it? Start your morning with 1 cup on an empty stomach. The rest can be taken throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. This is more than just a detox drink. It helps reduce bloating, control appetite, improves digestion, and speed up fat metabolism. It is completely natural sattvic approach to weight loss. Remember, you will not see the result overnight, but consistent use for 3-4 weeks can bring noticeable change in your weight. Cumin seeds or Jeera have been used in our Indian kitchen for generations, and modern research also supports this Ayurvedic remedy. Jeera water improves digestion, reduces bloating, and speeds up fat burning. Jeera water can keep you full for longer, so your cravings for food reduce naturally. It also helps regulate blood sugar level, preventing insulin heights that cause weight gain. Jeera is packed with compounds like thiamol and cumin aldehyde, which stimulates your digestive enzymes. This helps break down food more efficiently, prevents fat accumulation, and keeps your gut healthy. If your metabolism is sluggish in the morning, this drink is very good for you. And now here are some tips to make this Jeera water more effective. Drink it warm early in the morning because hot water helps your body to absorb nutrients easily. Do your morning stretches about 30 minutes after taking this water. Gentle yoga stimulates metabolism even more. Avoid processed sugar in your food as Jeera water works best in your sattvic diet. Take a brisk walk for 10 minutes before breakfast to activate your digestion. If you have bloating, then reduce your salt intake at night. This Jeera water is not just a modern drink, it is an old remedy. And whenever you feel that you are struggling to lose weight, never go chasing after extreme diet. Start with a simple glass of Jeera water. Try it for a month, observe the changes, and experience the difference. Namaskar.